Hello everyone, I am Arif and this is a project demonstration of an altitude control propeller object under a simulated environment. Here I am using Python and more specifically PyGame as a rendering software and Pymunk as the physics engine. And there are the values which user can input. For example, the value of P is 8, D is 2 and I is 0. Obviously those are the PIDs of a PID controller. And here is the algorithm for my PID control propeller object. Now as we can see, my target is the Y position of the mouse. When I bring it here, the propeller just moved forward a little bit, and that's because the gravity is pulling the propeller downward and the propeller is pushing itself upward, and that's why it has reached an equilibrium position. And if I increase the value of I to 5, then the target should be reached within a short time, like here. Okay, there is some movement. Obviously I need to increase the value of derivative. Let's make it 5. As you can see, the propeller is much more stable now, and by tuning the value of PID we can get it more accurate. Thank you for watching.